Hello my friends, so just got this package from the mail and I think I know what it is, so let's open it up. So it's a quick unboxing here. I have to do it all with just one hand, not too easy. Okay, so let's see. So I think I know what this is. So let's see. Yes, that's what I was expecting. So yeah, look at that. So this is MSX cartridges, original ones. Very well packed. Wow, look at that. This is Nemesis. Yeah, that's amazing. Very good shape. So what else? We have ER Kung Fu. It's a classic as well. Also for MSX. So all of those are MSX games. Look at that. Crazy cars. And here is a bonus. So not this. Actually, this is a bonus. Yeah, wasn't counting on that. This is a joystick for the MSX as well. There's some cables along with it. I think those are, yeah, we have like a SCART cable, RGB, and I think the recorder cable as well. Here we have the recorder. Oh, actually there's another game here. Oh yes, I love this. Yeah, I so love it that I have a poster of it there, see? Yeah, great. And in here we have the recorder, a Philips recorder, which is amazing actually. So this is you know, to record and to play tapes, cassette tapes, to load games and programs to the MSX. And of course down here we have the MSX itself, which is a Canon V-20. Judging by the pictures, it was in a very good shape. Looking at here, it seems to be in a very good shape as well. This is not my first MSX, of course. I do have an MSX2 Plus from Panasonic, and I do have a Brazilian model, MSX Expert Gradiente. And but it's still like always good to have those. I love those machines. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to open it up, everything, test it, make sure it's working, and then maybe I will make another video afterwards. See you guys later. Bye.